So coming on to the implementation part, so this is our app Thrive. So this is our sign up page where the guardian or the parent needs to fill all the credentials of the child or the student. So let's enter the name of the student, the age of the student, and next is the OB level, which stands for Open Basic Education level, which is described by the Ministry of Education. So there are basically three standards: level 0, level 1 and level 2. So our app is designed for level 0 and level 1 only. So let's enter 1. Next we are entering our password. So clicking on the sign up button, we are redirected to the home page. In the home page, we have our personalized implemented toolkit, which takes a overview or a tour of our entire app. So basically, clicking on the next, we'll have the game section, next the quiz section, next we have course section, and next we have the community section. So this toolkit helps blind people and the mentally disabled people. So coming on to the game section, there are three main games: flip flop, puzzle problem, and the baseball math. On the flip flop, this is basically for the memory game where they need to match same characters or icons. So next game is the puzzle problem. In the puzzle problem, there are numbers which are arranged randomly. So this is basically to enhance the learning ability and to think out of box scope. So here they need to arrange them in some line order. So next is the baseball math. This is basically to improve the mathematical skills. So here basically he needs to perform addition operation and to score runs, and if the addition operation is wrong, then wicket falls. So next we have our next section, that is the quiz section. In the quiz there is a daily quiz which is personalized for each and every student, and it is based on the recommendation system. So basically he needs to enter the correct options for all this and click on submit. So here the score is available. So next we have a subjective type of question. For example, give the definition of car. If the user enters car is a motor vehicle and has 5 seats. So clicking on the submit, it is compared with our LLM model and gives the accuracy score. So here the accuracy is 50%. So next is the courses section. In the courses we have various courses such as English, Science, Maths, etc. Coming on to the English part, so there is a personalized video. So in this video we are used LLM model to summarize the video. So let's click on the summarization of video. So here we can see a story or a video which will be summarized by our LLM, which is a personalized made by us and fetches the real-time data. So here the summary is being generated. So yeah, you can see the summary which is being generated over here. Yeah, next is the community section. In the community section, as we can see that Jagjit has successfully registered to our website. So everyone, let's welcome Jagjit. So here similarly the user can also share his or her batches or achievements, etc. So one of the main important feature in our website is that, especially for the blind people, also a voice feature in which if he tells that he needs to go to the games page, so he can simply tell games. So he will be redirect to the game section. So if he wants to go to the courses section, he can just say courses. So he will be redirect to the course section. Yeah, so last part is the profile section. So this is a personalized profile section in which we are doing real-time data analysis using Python scripts. So we are also providing batches and using various graphical representation methods like heat maps and bar graph to calculate the marks and the daily questions being practiced by the student. So basically this is our Thrive app for the students. Thank you.